3 years have passed since Russia launched its full-scale invasion of Ukraine, and the war continues to reshape global security. As Ukraine fights to protect its sovereignty, Sweden has stepped in with a massive $110 million military aid package to strengthen its air defenses. But what makes this package so important, and how will it impact the battlefield? Let's dive in. Sweden's latest military assistance includes a game-changing air defense system, the base system's Trident Mk2, a powerful 40mm naval gun mounted on a flatbed truck. This is the first time Ukraine will receive this high-tech weapon, known for its rapid-fire capabilities and ability to take down drones, cruise missiles, aircraft, and even armored vehicles. According to Sweden's government, the package is worth 1.2 billion kroner and also includes the Robot 70 air defense system. These weapons will enhance Ukraine's ability to counter aerial threats and defend its military, civilians, and critical infrastructure. The Trident Mk2 isn't just another air defense system, it's a highly adaptable and cost-effective alternative to expensive missile-based systems. Unlike traditional anti-aircraft weapons, this system is designed for quick deployment and modular upgrades, allowing Ukraine to integrate new technologies as warfare evolves. With its advanced targeting system, this weapon can quickly lock onto and eliminate multiple aerial threats before they reach their targets. This is especially crucial as Russia intensifies its drone and missile attacks on Ukrainian cities and infrastructure. With Sweden's latest aid package, Ukraine will have stronger protection against airborne attacks, a crucial factor in modern warfare. But this isn't just about military strategy, it's about saving lives. Every day, Ukrainian forces struggle to defend not just the front lines, but also homes, hospitals, and energy infrastructure. By reinforcing Ukraine's air defenses, Sweden is helping prevent devastating losses and ensuring that Ukraine can continue its resistance. This move also highlights Sweden's growing role in international security. While Sweden has traditionally maintained a neutral stance, Russia's invasion of Ukraine has reshaped its foreign policy. This latest military aid package shows that Sweden is now actively supporting Ukraine's fight for freedom. With Sweden stepping up its support, the big question is, will other countries follow? The West has provided Ukraine with billions of dollars in weapons and supplies, but as the war drags on, continued support is critical. Some nations fear military escalation, while others argue that Ukraine must receive more advanced weapons to push back against Russia. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on global conflicts and military news. See you in the next video.